As we live in today's information age, the needs and demands for information connectivity and sharing continue to increase. At INNO Instrument, we are constantly strengthening and innovating our products, fulfilling our vision to have the power to make thinking into reality. INNO Instrument took great pride in introducing the View Pro Manager. This cloud-based management system benefits users by improving management, competencies, and communication across the team. Our vision of seamless data synchronization supporting multiple devices and users beyond borders inspired us to lead the development of smart IoT splicers. The deployment of GPS technology guarantees not only accurate splice and device information, but also high security of assets with the anti-theft remote lock and track function. The View Pro series features real-time geolocation and operation monitoring, allowing users to see the device status, location, and detailed exportable splice results as they happen. Service logistics and task management has never been easier with a centralized cloud platform. Tasks featuring precise locations and details can be assigned and shared with the team seamlessly, also enabling users to monitor the progress and the status of tasks. An analysis and user-friendly data presentation with graphs and tables give better insight into the splice records and performance of each device, allowing for the economical and efficient workload management, as well as for making informed decisions. View Pro Manager supports live asset and fleet management with device health monitoring and smart alerts functions. Users can secure their assets with a smart anti-theft function, enable password protection, or deactivate devices remotely. INNO Instrument envisions our innovation not only as an advancement in technology, but also as a new system of an overall operation. The world is changing around us, but at INNO Instrument, we look ahead and beyond so that you can be equipped today for tomorrow's future. Introducing the next generation of fusion splicers, the View Pro series.